Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. I'm gonna make a healthy smoothie. I have some ginger, some frozen watermelon, and some frozen pineapple, and some almond milk, and you know my Irish mash over there, so yeah. Make some nice Irish mash smoothie, fruit smoothie. Oh dear, we're not waste anything, guys. So we're taking up everything and put it in the blender. And this, you don't need any ice for this, guys, because everything is frozen. And the next thing, I'm just gonna add some almond milk. I'm gonna put about a cup there. If you want to add honey, you can go ahead and add honey. I don't want it sweeter than that, and I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of my Irish mash. It's a little bit dark. And I'm gonna blend. Because it's frozen, I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. So good. There it is, guys. Can you see that? Oh yeah. We're gonna pour some in. Ooh. Ooh. Let me put a little bit of mint. And that's it, guys. Really easy and delicious and refreshing. And that's my Irish mash watermelon pineapple smoothie, or Irish mash pineapple watermelon smoothie. Alright guys, that's it. Love upon me and I love upon you. You have a good day. Bye guys.